Welcome, my ICTA students. We are going to learn today how to copy and paste. After we do the copy and paste, then we'll learn to use the Format Painter. So first of all, remember, put on no spacing. Make sure your show and hide is on. You've got to be able to see this paragraph symbol, and make sure you've got no spacing. All right, I want you to type for me, the grass is green. Press enter and type the moon is blue. Press enter and type the river is red and press enter. Okay, we have three sentences there. I didn't put a period at the end of each one, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that. So I want you to put your cursor in the left margin as a white arrow and select the grass is green. All right, now go Control C. You copied it, nothing appears to happen, you just took a picture of it. Now go Control End, E-N-D, and you should be at the end of your work. All right, now go Control V as in Victor, about 4 or 5 times. Okay, all right, let's try it again. Select the moon is blue. Put your cursor in the left-hand margin, all right, and click. All right, copy. Now, when we make this copy, the grass is green is no longer in memory. All right, let's go Control End and go Control V as in Victor, and you're painting, or pardon me, and you're pasting in the moon is blue. All right, now this one we're going to do different. Did you see how the grass is green is still here? Did you see how the moon is blue is still here? All right, this time I'm going to highlight the river is red, and I'm going to cut it. And if you think of scissors, they look, when they're open, they look like an X. So I want to do Control X. So I cut it. Now you can't see it. It's not here. Okay? All right, go Control End, E-N-D, and now go Control V. And again, now you can see it. But the cut picked up your text and moved it down to another location. Copy left your text there, and it stayed and still made a copy. That's the difference between copy and cut. All right, now let's go Control Home. And you should be at the first, right here at the beginning of the grass is green. So let's left double click on the word green and make it, go choose a font color, go choose green, and make it bold, make it italics, and let's make it about 14, okay, so that you can really see it. All right, so now you're going to paint green all over, okay? So you're going to left double click on your Format Painter. We often refer to it as the paintbrush. So Format Painter, left double click. Now it stays on, and you see it looks like a paintbrush. See there, it looks like a paintbrush, and because we double clicked, it'll let us paint whatever we want. We can paint the moon, we can paint we can paint green, or I can paint a whole phrase like that. Or I could paint the whole thing if I want to paint the whole thing. Or I can paint one word. So you can paint whatever you want. All right, now you must turn the Format Painter off. So when it's white like this, it's turned off. All right, let's try another one. Go to blue. Left double click on blue and change your color here to blue. All right. And once again, let's make it bold, let's make it italics. That's just making it easier for you to see. And this time, let's make it 16, just so it's a little bit bigger. All right, now, you want to turn your Format Painter on, double click. Is it dark gray? Yes. And your cursor is a paintbrush. All right, let's paint grass. Let's paint grass here, green. Try the moon is. Put a whole line, blue. Do a phrase, moon is. So you can do anything that you want to color. All right, turn your paintbrush off. Let's try another one. Okay, here's red. So left double click on red, and we want to make this red, and we'll make it size 18 just for the heck of it, so you see a different size, bold, italics. All right, once again, double click on your paintbrush, paint river. You can paint river is. You can paint the river is red. You can paint moon. You want to make it red. And the grass, you want to make it red. And maybe you want to do this phrase. Do you see that you can paint anything that you want? All right, turn your paintbrush off. Now your cursor is normal. Let's go here to this green. It's black. All right, so if we want black, you go to your Format Painter and you paint black. So now you're going to paint black. I'm painting black. I'm painting black. I'm painting black. You can do a phrase, paint it black. You can do the whole line, paint it black. So you can always bring it back as long as you have one word that is black. All right, so that's how you use your paintbrush. I have to remember to turn it off. All right, and so now very easily you can format anything that you want in a hurry. All right, now let's assume, let's do this here. Let's go down to the end. Go Control End, and I'm going to press Enter a couple times, and I'm going to type first of all river, and then I'll press Enter twice, and I will type moon. Press Enter twice and type grass. Oh, hold on here. And press Enter twice, and I'll type sun and press Enter twice. Now just think that those would be headings in your document. Okay, so you want to say, let's say we want to make them red. So I pick up the paintbrush now, Format Painter, and look, I paint, 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 paint. That's how fast you can do your headings. And we want to turn it off so that everything else is normal. All right, that's all there is to the paintbrush and your copy and paste. Copy, remember Control C. Paste, Control V as in Victor. And remember where the paintbrush is, the Format Painter. All right, we'll stop there.